Welcome to TutorBird's video tutorials. Today, we'll look at adding a weekly recurring lesson. First, navigate to the calendar. You can add a lesson by clicking on the date itself and selecting Quick Add Lesson. When you select Quick Add Lesson, this is a shortcut to create a new, private event with the student's default lesson duration and price. When scheduling a Quick Add Lesson, you can choose the student, the location, and the date and time. Businesses with multiple tutors will be able to select the tutor as well. To indicate that this is a recurring lesson, select the checkbox that says, "This event repeats." In this example, we want to schedule a weekly lesson, so select the frequency as weekly and fill out the space as recurring every 1 week. If you do not want this event to repeat indefinitely, deselect this checkbox and set the date that you want the event to repeat until, such as the end of semester or until summer. Otherwise, leave this selected. Click Save. You can now look at your calendar and see your new events. Thanks for watching, and email us at support@tutorbird.com if you have any questions.